Day 62, intentions are running sky high on the set of Love and Thunder because his mood is at an all-time low. I'm about to go and help pick up the spirits with my bubbly, energetic personality.
This is 10 years for me. I'd have loved every time I played the character. This new film transitions us from Endgame into a rebirth. Thor doesn't know what his place is in the universe. That's represented in his wardrobe as well.
Oh.
Jane?
I was really excited to come back as the mighty Thor and get to share the mantle.
What are you wearing? I love it.
To have both of us in the same cape. That was amazing and incredible, especially with Taika at the helm.
Taika, he's like a big kid. He's like a sort of a genius child.
I wasn't afraid to be flamboyant and a bit camp. 3, 2, 1, scream! Giant goats!
Look at those! They are wonderful.
Yes, they are. They also scream quite a lot.
It's hugely imaginative and fun.
It's such an enormous scale.
It's a crazy space adventure with a new villain who's pretty monstrous.
All gods will die. We really raised the bar with Ragnarok. Love and Thunder is even more unique and different, so it's pretty exciting.